Okay, what I have here is the Clean Freak CF100. Has about 110 lift on the vacuum, and it has about 100 psi on the water. First you turn on the pump. You can see that. This is a non-heated unit, and it comes with the vacuum hose, the water hose, the CF100 carpet extractor, and the wand. And they list retail for about $12.89 on cleanfreak.com. This is a used unit, so I'm asking $650 for it. I'm not going to take any lower offers, so please don't request if I take anything lower. So have a good day.